In a world driven by advanced technology and artificial intelligence, one visionary entrepreneur is leading the charge to ensure that humanity remains in control. Hello all, welcome to our channel. Today, we delve into the groundbreaking initiative founded by the legendary Elon Musk's X.AI, or Explainable Artificial Intelligence. Join us as we embark on a journey to explore the vision behind X.AI, the innovative solutions it offers, and how it aims to help mankind overcome the challenges of the AI revolution. In a groundbreaking announcement, Elon Musk unveiled his latest venture, X.AI. During the highly anticipated unveiling event, Elon Musk expressed his concerns about the increasing complexity and incomprehensibility of AI systems. He highlighted the pressing need for AI to be explainable and transparent to ensure that humanity remains in control of its own creations. Musk emphasized that while AI has the potential to revolutionize industries and enhance our lives, it also poses risks if its decision-making processes remain inscrutable. With the launch of X.AI, Musk aims to address this critical issue and create AI systems that can be understood, trusted, and audited by humans. Elon Musk envisions a future where AI is not only highly capable, but also explainable and accountable. Musk believes that society should have the ability to comprehend and question the decisions made by AI algorithms, particularly in domains with significant consequences, such as autonomous vehicles, healthcare diagnostics, finance, and law enforcement. By developing AI systems that provide transparent explanations for their decisions and actions, X.AI aims to bridge the gap between AI technology and human comprehension, fostering a sense of trust and collaboration between humans and machines. Key objectives of X.AI. 1. Explainability. X.AI aims to develop AI systems that can provide clear, concise, and understandable explanations for their decision-making processes. By unveiling the black box nature of AI algorithms, X.AI intends to shed light on how and why AI systems arrive at specific outcomes, allowing humans to comprehend and evaluate their actions. 2. Transparency and auditing. X.AI aims to create tools and frameworks that enable the auditing and validation of AI systems. By providing transparency into AI algorithms and their underlying data, X.AI intends to facilitate the identification of biases, errors, or unintended consequences, thereby fostering accountability and responsible AI deployment. 3. Ethical and responsible AI. X.AI is committed to promoting ethical and responsible AI practices. Musk emphasizes the importance of aligning AI systems with human values, ensuring fairness, avoiding discrimination, and prioritizing human well-being. X.AI seeks to actively contribute to the development of guidelines and standards that govern the responsible use of AI technologies. How X.AI helps mankind. 1. Enhancing trust. X.AI's explainable AI systems can help build trust between humans and AI technologies. By providing comprehensible explanations for their decisions, AI algorithms can instill confidence in users, allowing them to understand and verify the reasoning behind AI-generated outputs. 2. Mitigating bias. X.AI's focus on transparency and auditing can help identify and address biases present in AI algorithms. By making biases and discriminatory patterns visible, X.AI enables the correction and improvement of AI models, leading to fairer and more equitable outcomes for all individuals. 3. Improving safety and accountability. In high-stakes domains such as autonomous vehicles and healthcare, X.AI's explainable AI systems can help ensure safety and accountability. By providing clear explanations for the decisions made by AI systems, X.AI enables humans to intervene, correct, or understand potentially risky situations, ultimately improving overall system reliability. As we come to the end of our exploration into X.AI and the visionary mind of Elon Musk, we are filled with excitement and hope for the future. X.AI's mission to create explainable and trustworthy AI technologies is not just about advancing technology, but about empowering humanity. Through X.AI's focus on transparency, accountability, and ethical deployment, we can build a world where humans and AI collaborate harmoniously. A world where we can trust the decisions made by AI systems, identify and rectify biases, and ensure the well-being and safety of all individuals. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating journey into the realm of X.AI. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating content as we unravel the wonders of the ever-evolving world of technology. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and keep embracing the boundless possibilities that lie ahead.